Okay, how often do you buy new shoes?
All right, so buying shoes, I really enjoy buying new shoes, but I usually buy them as per my need. So whenever there's an occasion or there's something important that's coming up, I usually tend to see if I have enough or have certain shoes that go with the event or not. And according to my need, then I plan on buying a pair of shoes.
Okay, have you ever bought shoes online?
Well, I do really enjoy online shopping, but buying shoes online can be very risky and tricky at times because it's better to, because whenever I go to buy any pair of shoes, I have to try it on and then I check whether they hurt me or not when I walking in that new pair. So I've never tried buying it online because sizing up a shoe online can be, it can be risky, and sometimes the shoe sizes are often not matching up with what is what actually can come up if
Okay,
you buy it online.
do you know anyone who likes to buy a lot of shoes?
Yeah, yes, I can think of one person right now who loves to buy a lot of shoes. That's my father-in-law. He has got a big collection of shoes, and he often stays updated if there's a new collection coming up on his favorite brand. So he's really rather keen on buying shoes than clothes.
Okay, what is your favorite type of shoes?
I personally like formal shoes because as I am a working professional, I often have to attend formal meetings. So I do need to have a formal pair of shoes in my collection. So I'm mostly when I'm buying shoes, I pay more attention to those kind of shoes because that's what my need is.
All right, fantastic, very good. For part one, your answers are really good. Keep it up like this,
Thank you
okay?
so
Thank you.